In today's lecture, we'll be exploring properties in Vue.js. Now, in order to explore properties, what we have done is we have opened up the CLI project which we initially created, and we have copied everything that we have explored till now in the components.vue file. And you can see that all the methods, functions, everything is now part of this component.vue file. Even the contents that were there in the standalone version, we have taken it from there and used it over here. So in order to explore properties, we needed this CLI based version. You will find the reason why very soon. So first of all, when you have to define your properties, you can make use of the props keyword, and do remember that the indentation, spacing, like over here you can see that props and then colon is there. If you will put a space over here, the project will not compile. It will give an error saying that there is a space just after the props keyword. So you need to make sure that you type in all these properly, otherwise you will encounter error when you'll try to run the project. Now, making use of the props keyword, and then you can define the property that you want to have. Now the property must have a type and a default value. So over here the type is a string. Now it could be a number or a function object, and its default value as of now over here for publisher is a skill bakery. Now in order to make use of this property that we have defined, we will go to our app.vue, and here where we are making use of the component tag, there we'll be passing the publisher property, and we'll be giving it another name like this. Let's save it now, and wherever you want to show it in your component, you can do that. For instance, I can just go over here, choose it in this way, and write the name of the property, that's publisher. Save it, and let's run our application now. In order to run the CLI project, you can just go to readme.md, and here you will find the command npm run dev, which you can simply execute by going to integrated terminal. And here, as you can see, I've already executed it and it's working over here. And there you go. You can see that Skill Bakery Studio is coming up as a property that's being passed from the component itself. That is from the app.vue, created the component and passed this value as a property to the component and then made use of it over here. We just needed to close it like this, and there you go. So that's how we create properties in Vue.js.